To open a fixed deposit account with Absa Bank, follow these steps. First, determine your investment amount and duration, considering your financial goals and risk tolerance. Absa Bank offers competitive interest rates for various fixed deposit tenors, ranging from a few months to several years. Next, gather the required documents, including your identification, proof of address, and proof of income. You can apply online or visit an Absa Bank branch. If applying online, go to the Absa Bank website, click on the fixed deposit option, and fill out the application form. When applying in person, visit an Absa Bank branch and speak to a customer service representative. They will guide you through the application process and provide the necessary forms. Ensure you have all the required documents and information to avoid delays. After submitting your application, Absa Bank will review and verify your information. Once approved, your fixed deposit account will be opened, and you can deposit your investment amount. You can choose to receive interest payments monthly, quarterly, or at maturity, depending on your preference. It is essential to note that fixed deposits are subject to terms and conditions, including penalties for early withdrawal. Before investing, read and understand the terms and conditions to avoid any potential losses. Additionally, consider consulting with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your needs. By following these steps, you can easily open a fixed deposit account with Absa Bank and start earning competitive interest rates on your investment. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions before investing and consider seeking professional advice to achieve your financial goals.